Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to talk to you about a feature in Adobe Bridge or Adobe Camera Raw, which I have found to be very useful, and it's such an amazing tool. You will find it extremely useful in your work. So let's dig into Camera Raw and show you what I'm talking about. So here we have Adobe Bridge open, and this is where I like to organize my files, rate them accordingly depending on what I'm doing to them. I'm going to go and open this image over here. I think this is one of my favorite ones that I've taken off an East Point Lighthouse in the Isle of Skye. Now, not this one. Yeah, it's that one. That's the image. That's the image. Right, we'll open up that again. So we're going to open up this image, and as you can see, it looks pretty clean. It looks pretty nice. But if we zoom on in this area over here, we can see quite a few dust bunnies. Now what they've done in Adobe Camera Raw is added a new feature to the spot removal tool. They have this over here, which is the visualize spots. If I click on that, you can see all the sensor dust that's on my camera, all the places that I thought it wouldn't be as well. Now I've taken a lot of these out. If you click on the show overlay button, it shows you where it has actually been used and applied. This slider over here allows you to bring out how much you need to, so minimum and maximum. Now use that wisely. Every image will have a different default setting, just so you know what it does. So just to show you what this actually does, this is a clone tool. It actually will clone the ID closest by and paste it and get remove of the dust. So be careful where you use it and how you use it, because what you don't want to be doing is obviously using this tool and copying the wrong area. If you're not happy with where it's cloning, just like I did, you can move it around and readjust accordingly. I'm just going to take that one out and redo that one again. Pressing the bracket buttons does allow you to increase and decrease the size of the tool, so you can just get very close in as well. It does take time, so bear with it. It's not the fastest tool to use, but it is one of the best tools to use. You obviously want your images to be as clean as possible. I have got this, I've accumulated all this dust probably from the few visits I've done to the desert and changing my lens where there was sand. Obviously that's a no-no. I'm going to send my camera into Canon to get it cleaned in the next couple of days. So that's that. I should hopefully clean up that image pretty well. So if I just go back and take it off, you can see it's made a massive difference on there already. So thank you Adobe for that update. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed that, do give me a comment or a like and a subscribe. Click on the bell notification down here somewhere for further updates and when I make my next videos. Until the next video guys, all the best. See you soon. Bye for now. See ya.